Alarm on snooze, mouth tastes like old glue. Clock says move, rent says who. Time to punch in, gotta fake a grin. Manager talking thin, team like family till the cuts kick in. Cornell Lake, card declined at the gate. Walk past glass towers carrying their trash weight. Scroll that feed, every smile is a flex. I got coupons, calluses, and unanswered text. Fuck if I gotta work this hard and still be broke. I should just light shit on fire and breathe in the smoke. Let the flames eat every bill, every letter they wrote. If I gotta work this hard and still be broke. Lunch break, same bench, coupons in a paper bag. Buy one, get none, dreams in a tow sack. Phone buzz, dead call, name is red. Fake friend, just one more payment, says the voice with the headset. Outside sky cops, factory stacks in a row. We choke for free while they bottle the blow. If breathing poison is all I ever own, might as well choose what burns in my throat. Fuck if I gotta work this hard and still be broke. I should just light shit on fire and breathe in the smoke. Let the flames eat every bill, every letter they wrote. If I gotta work this hard and still be broke. Stack those bills in a circle like a cheap crown. Strike one match, watch the ink turn brown. Sing my name in the flame, hear it crack, hear it choke. I'm so tired of the grind, so tired